The smoke will come on. It's the 2024 Red Arrows.
Stop on. Stop. Coming forward. Now. Holding back. Right.
As we go into the second half, we'll now see the leader of Southport blows in the season. It's the 5-4 split. The team will now break down to two distinct sections. You have Enid off to the right hand side. That's Reds 1 through 5, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5 from the children's books. And you have Reds 6, 7, 8 and 9 off to the left. They're known as Hannah, named after squadron leader Ray Hannah. One of the first members of the Red Arrows, the only team leader to lead the team for 4 years. He took the team from a 7-ship to a 9-ship and formed on trademark Diamond 9. Hannah from the left, Enid from the right for the 5-4 cross. To the left-hand side. Red Arrows were formed in 1964 with our first public display in 1965. We were actually formed from 3 different teams. We had the Red Pelicans, the Black Arrows and the Yellow Jackets.